The sandstorm is on its way. The box exploded, sending us flying into the air. Then it exploded again. The Wanderer shot out of the box, but it looked like it was trapped in a sphere, like the Ice King was, but this time, it controls a sandstorm, not an ice storm. It should reach one day before the end of Season 2. Season 2 end May 24th at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. The final lightning strike was red, and very bright. Time is running out for us, we have won the fight, but war has only begun.
Get ready for season 3. Wrecked. No hope. Wrecked.